Hello friends and YouTubers, it's been a long time since I made a video, so I had some spare time today and I wanted to make a quick video of this amplifier. I have a video out there when I just recapped it and repaired some of the, actually this particular amp. This is a Pioneer SA8800 and I fixed this one because I bought it and it was broken. The relays was not clicking, so I did some research and changed a couple of transistors and it's back to life. So it, it sounds pretty good, and I think I made a video out of, I recapped the power supply and a couple of things that I fixed, but it sounds fantastic right now, and I'm going to just test it aloud and do a couple of take. Probably I'll be copyrighted for the songs because I'm tired of the same songs that you download from YouTube. They're not really enticing. So I'm gonna get a very nice, one of those Middle Eastern song and whatever. And I'm gonna test it, but it sounds pretty good and it looks pretty good too. After I fixed it and cleaned it and all. And like I said, there's a video, I don't know, a few months back that I show the unit open and I think I show the transistors that I replaced. If you got any question, let me know. I can get you the transistor part number that I replaced. The schematics is available on Hi-Fi Engine. And most of the repair process and steps are located in Audio Karma. So it's a couple of good guys. I'm gonna test it with I haven't tested these speakers in a long time. These are my ohm wash 2 is right there. And this is what's gonna be pretty much tested. I got these ones too. These are Audio Nirvana, but I'm gonna test it with those, because I haven't tried those speakers in a very long time, so I'm just gonna try it out now. And here we go. We just turn this on and hit the click. There you go. And I have a Dinosaur, a Sony 400 CD player. I like this one. It may not be the best sound in the world, but it holds 400 CDs, so you don't have to just have all your CDs scattered. And it has a carousel. You put all your CDs in, but you just gotta make a note where they are. But sometimes I like the sorting and like the shuffle, so it doesn't really matter to me. Most of the time I know exactly where my favorite CDs are, in this case 63. But what you do, you just click play and enjoy the music. Let's see. Here it goes. All right, I think that was enough. Sorry about the camera intrusion with my fingers, but this is a very nice song. I don't even know what the name, probably when you hear and when you see the strike on the copyright, you will know the name of the song. I like it because it's like, you know, different and has a lot of instruments, and you can hear the detail on the amplifier, and of course the speakers make a big difference. So nice bass, nice detail on mids and highs. Love those speakers. I don't think I will ever part with them. Never say never, but you never know. So thank you for watching. I apologize for not uploading videos in a long time. I'll probably make another one today of an amplifier I have. And you will probably see the speakers or Audio Nirvana in action, but this is a Alpha 8 or 8, I think it is. I'll bring it up shortly, so hopefully we'll have time. So this is all for this particular one. It's a Pioneer SA8800. Like I said, there's a couple of videos out there for this one, but this is a very nice finished product, and I'm enjoying it. It's Sunday afternoon. Today is May 15, 2022. Thank you for watching and have a great day.